Write an equation for the given table. So you've already previously seen one where you're getting it from a graph. This is actually easier because you don't have to gather the information from the table, or excuse me, from the graph into a table first. So remember that A is our y-intercept. It's our beginning value, initial value. It is when x is 0. So we already know that our initial value is 4. So now we just need to calculate what our growth or decay factor is. As we see here, as the x values increase, so are the y values. So that means that we're going to have an exponential growth factor. So it doesn't matter which two you look between, as long as you're looking between the ones that are consecutive integers. So we're either going to look at the first two here or the next two there. So we are going to work backwards because we don't, well, you can kind of see it already. So actually, this one's an easy one. I'll show you both ways. So 4 times what would give you 12? 3. 12 times what would give you 36? 3. But they're not always going to be that obvious. So knowing an alternate method is always good. So you can work backwards. If I don't know what to multiply 12 by to get to 36, you can do 36 divided by 12, which is 3. So that is going to be our growth factor, 3. And let's go ahead and check that just to make sure. So I have my function now. It is y equals 4 times 3 to the power of x. So I'm going to plug in 1 and hope that 12 comes out. All right. So we have 4 parentheses 3 raised to the power of 1, and we get 12. So we know that we are correct. So always test your functions when you're done to make sure that they give you the output that you need.